Hi all, welcome to Learn with Aspirant 15 YouTube channel. Here in this session, we discuss 25 important questions for SSC CGL and other competitive exams. Here, question number 1 is, what is the retirement age of High Court judges? The options are 60 years, 62 years, 65 years and 68 years. Here, option B is correct answer, 62. And for Supreme Court judges, it is 65 years. Moving on to the second question. Panchatantra was written by option A. Kalidasa, B. Vishnu Sharma, C. Banabhatta, D. Chanakya. Here option B is correct answer. Vishnu Sharma. Moving to question number third. Which is the largest port in India by cargo handling? Options are Mundra Port, Paradip Port, Mumbai Port, Chennai Port. Here option A is correct answer. Mundra Port. Question number 4. The first budget in India was presented in which year? Options are 1860, 1947, 1950, 1951. Here, option A is correct answer, 1860. Question number 5. Who is known as the father of the Indian budget system? Here, options are James Wilson, P.C. Mahalanobis, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru. Here, option A is correct answer, James Wilson. The first paperless union budget was presented in which year? Options are 2019, 20, 21, 22. Here, option C is correct answer, 2021. Moving to question number 7. Who is the first full-time woman finance minister of India? Here, option B is correct answer, Nirmala Sitharaman. If the question asks about part-time woman finance minister, who is the first part-time woman finance minister? Option A is correct answer, Indira Gandhi. And Pratibha Patel is first woman president. Question number 8. Zero-based budgeting was introduced in India in which year? Options are 1985, 1986, 1987, 1988. Here, option B, C is correct answer, 1987. Question number 9. Gender budgeting was introduced in India in which year? Option A, 2004 to 5. Option B, 2005 to 6, 2006 to 7, 2007 to 8. Here, option B is correct answer, 2005 to 6. Moving to 10th question. Performance budgeting was introduced in India in which year? Option A, 1968, 1969, 1970, 1971. Here, option A is correct answer, 1968. Question number 11. Which British commander defeated Rani Lakshmi Bai? That is Jhansi Lakshmi Bai, Rani Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Options are Dalhousie, Hugh Ross, Lord Canning, Henry Havelock. Here, option B is correct answer, Hugh Ross. Question number 12. Union budget is referred to in which article of the Constitution? Option A, 110. Option B, 111. Option C, 112. Option D, 123. Here, option C is correct answer. Sorry. And 110 is about money bill. Question number 13. Which budget is known as black budget? Options are option A, 1973 to 74. Option B, 1971 to 72. Option C 1975 to 76. Option D 1977 to 78. Here option A is correct answer. 1973 to 74. Moving to question number 14. Who presented the first union budget of independent India? Here the question is about independent India. So option A Shanmugam Chetty, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C B.R. Ambedkar, D Morarji Desai. Here option A is correct answer. Shanmugam Chetty. Who presented the highest number of union budgets in India, in independent India? So here the correct answer is option C, Morarji Desai. What is the escape velocity from Earth's surface? This is science question. So here the correct answer is C, 11.2 kilometers per second. Option 7, question number 17, sorry. Wayne's displacement law is related to A, radioactivity, B, black body radiation, C, sound waves, D, magnetism. Here, option B is correct answer, black body radiation. Bohr's law states that volume is directly proportional to pressure, volume is inversely proportional to pressure, volume is directly proportional to temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to temperature. Here the option B is correct answer. Sorry. Option B is correct answer. Volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Moving to question number 19. The Laffer curve shows the relationship between options are inflation and growth, tax rate and tax revenue, demand and supply, GDP and population. Here option B is correct answer. Tax rate and tax revenue. Ohm's law states that option A, current is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to resistance. B, force is proportional to mass. Option C, pressure and volume are constant. Option D, energy equals mass times speed of light squared. Here, option A is correct answer. Current is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to resistance. Question number 21. Which metal has the highest melting point? A, iron, B, platinum, C, titanium, D, tungsten. Here, option D is correct answer. Tungsten. The Battle of Talikota was fought in which year? Option A 1526, option B 1556, option C 1565, option D 1576. Here option C is correct answer, 1565. Question number 23. Railway budget was separated from the general budget in which year? Option A 1921, option B 1924, option C 1926, option D 1930. Here option B is correct answer, 1924. And it and it's again remerged into general budget in 2017. These two are important. Separated in 1924, remerged in 2017. And question number 24. Which of the following is protected under the basic structure of doctrine? Here options are judicial review, secularism, federalism, and D, all of the above. Here the correct answer is D, all of the above. And the last question is Mangal Pandey fired upon British officers at option A Meerut, option B Barakpur, option C Kanpur, option D Lucknow. Here option B is correct answer. Barakpur. So these are the 25 questions I wanted to discuss. If you find this content useful, please subscribe. Thank you.